Flavors. This is Shilpi. Today we'll be making rajma. I know everyone make rajma at home, but I'm sharing this recipe as I think this is the quickest and the easiest way to make rajma. It's so easy that even beginners can make it and still it tastes great. So let's start. Here is the ingredient list. You can also see in the description of this video. In this recipe I'm using rajma that is already washed and soaked for 6 to 8 hours. My cooker is on medium-high heat. I'll put oil in it. Let's put bay leaf. This is cumin seeds, cloves and peppercorns. Stir everything. Now I'll put chopped onions. Garlic. I'll cook them till onion become little soft and pink in color. It's about 2 to 3 minutes. I can see the onion have changed the color. Now I'll put some ginger. This is chopped ginger and chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well. Now I'll put some water and now I'll take 3 to 4 whistles. After 4 whistles, switch off the stove and wait till the pressure is down. It's almost 10 minutes. Let me take the pressure out and open the pressure cooker. Now I'll open the stove at high heat and cook these vegetables till the oil comes out. Smash all the garlic pieces with the spoon. It will almost take 5 to 6 minutes till the oil comes out. Keep turning in between, otherwise this masala will stick to the pressure cooker. As you can see, the oil is coming out from the masala. Let me put the spices. This is turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder, cumin powder. Mix everything well. Put soaked rajma. And we'll saute this rajma in the spices for a couple of minutes. Reduce the heat to medium-high at this time. Turn them occasionally, otherwise rajma and masala will stick to the pressure cooker. It's been couple of minutes. Now I'll add water to it. Add salt. Mix everything well and take 5 to 6 whistles. At my place, I'll take 5 to 6 whistles. You might have to take more or less whistles. It depends on the quality of rajma and the water at your place. If you have to take more whistles, then put additional water for it. Otherwise, rajma will get stick to the bottom. After 6 whistles, let's switch off the stove and let the pressure cooker cool down for some time. It's almost 10 minutes. Let me check the pressure and open the pressure cooker. Mix everything together. Rajma are cooked. They look soft. Now I'll cook them on high heat for some time. Let's switch on the gas at high heat. It's about a minute now. Now we'll add water. I have added almost 1 cup of water. You can add how much thick gravy you like. Now we'll boil this rajma on high heat for a couple of minutes and then we'll switch off the stove and rajma is ready to eat. It's almost 2 minutes. Rajma look thick. Now I'll switch off the stove. Rajma is ready to serve. Before serving, add some lemon juice, some sliced green chilies, some cilantro leaves, and rajma masala is ready to eat. Enjoy this rajma with roti or rice. Do let me know how it comes out. For more recipes, visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.